Welcome to this fantastic opportunity in West Linn's coveted Cascade Summit neighborhood. This traditional Craftsman home is situated in a quiet, peaceful setting with an inviting, full-length covered porch. Discover high-end upgrades and amenities throughout. Work or enjoy your hobby in the bright office with a built-in desk and shelving. No detail is overlooked, from the shiplap accent wall in the formal dining room to the stylish fixtures. The vaulted gourmet kitchen features skylights, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, including a sub-zero refrigerator, double convection oven, and a wine refrigerator. From here, head to the private, fully fenced, beautifully landscaped backyard with a covered gazebo for year-round entertaining. The kitchen and dining nook open to the family room in this thoughtfully designed floor plan. Up a few stairs, you'll find spacious bedrooms in this home of nearly 3,000 square feet. Double doors lead to the vaulted king-size primary suite with Mount Hood views. The elegant bath features a jetted tub, dual sink vanity, and a walk-in closet. Plus, you'll find a convenient guest bath. On the top level, the bonus room or possible fourth bedroom is ready for any number of uses. Other features include a newer roof, furnace, AC, flooring, carpet, plumbing, and more. Living here, you can walk to the park, grocery store, restaurants, and coffee, and enjoy the neighborhood pool, athletic court, and clubhouse. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Theresa Monahan with Premier Property Group.